Hey lovelies, welcome to new crochet and collections. Today let's work on a client's order, and we are going to use this hair tie. I'm going to use this yarn. It's made in Kenya, and scissor here. So let's get started. So I'm going to make round until I reach here with the single crochets all around, and we shall meet again when I am done with this round. So I've reached, we are going to slip stitch. We're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so we have now a full round circle, you can see. So we are going to chain 3, then we are going to do three double crochet in every single crochet we have done. So this is one. In the same, I put another one. Those are 2. In the same, I add another one. So you can see there are 3 single crochets, 3 double crochet, sorry. So we are going to do 3 until we reach here. Then we shall complete this round. So you can see I'm almost done with our second round. I have this, I put 1, 2, and the third in the same stitch. I go to the next, I put 1, in the same stitch, the second, the third. I go to my last, I put 3. Those are 2, third. I come here on top, I slip stitch. We are going to our third round. You can see the ruffles are already creating. So I want these dramatic ruffles. So I'm going to go with do 1, 2, 3, now 4, 5, so in this round we are going to do 5 and 6. So in this first one I have put 5. In the next gets 6. This one gets next 6 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6. This one gets 5, this one gets 6. Now this one is going to get 5 double crochets. So we are going to make 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. So this one gets 5. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. The next gets this next gets 6. So I will see you when we reach here to finish the round. So we are coming to the end of our row. Don't know if you can be able to see. Yes, we are remaining with 3. So this one gets gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go to this one gets 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we are going to this last one, this one, and we are going to put 5 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We mark the end of our dramatic scrunchie with a slip. With a slip stitch to complete the row. So this is how our scrunchie is. Very cute, very cold.